Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Complete English Speaking Mastery course. If you can understand a little English but cannot speak confidently, if you know grammar rules but freeze when someone talks to you, if you translate every sentence from your own language to English and get stuck, then this course is made specifically for you. Let me tell you something important. Most people do not fail at English because they are weak. They fail because they learn English in the wrong way. They spend years memorizing grammar rules. They learn tenses. They solve exercises. They fill blanks. But when someone asks a simple question, "How are you?" their mind becomes blank. Why? Because speaking is a skill, and skills are learned through practice. Nobody learns cycling by reading a book. Nobody learns swimming by reading theory. Similarly, nobody learns speaking by only studying grammar. In this course, we are going to learn English the way children learn language, by listening, by repeating, by speaking, by using real-life situations. And by the end of this journey, your confidence will be completely different. So stay till the end, because today, you are going to speak your first English sentences confidently. Let's begin. Before learning English, let's understand what stops most people from speaking. The biggest mistake people make is this. They think, first I will learn perfect grammar. Then I will start speaking. The problem is that this day never comes, because language is not learned that way. Think about a child. Did the child learn grammar before speaking? No. First, the child started speaking. Then gradually, the language improved. You must do the same. Here are 3 important rules for this course. Rule number 1. Do not fear mistakes. Mistakes are not signs of failure. Mistakes are signs of progress. Every fluent speaker once made thousands of mistakes. Rule number 2. Speak aloud. Do not just watch these lessons. Repeat every sentence after me. Your mouth must practice speaking English. Rule number 3. Practice daily. Even 15 minutes of speaking practice every day can completely transform your English over time. Always remember, perfection is not the goal. Communication is the goal. If people can understand you, you are already making progress. Now let me show you something surprising. Many people believe English is a difficult language. Actually, daily spoken English uses a very small number of sentence patterns. Look at these examples. I am happy. I am tired. I am hungry. I am ready. I am busy. Notice something? Only one pattern. I am, and suddenly you can express many different ideas. This is how spoken English works. You do not need thousands of words. You need useful patterns. Today, we will learn some powerful patterns that you can start using immediately. Pattern 1. I am repeat after me. I am happy. I am tired. I am hungry. I am busy. I am ready. I am excited. I am nervous. I am confident. Very good. Now let's create some meaningful sentences. Repeat after me. I am a student. I am learning English. I am improving every day. I'm not afraid of mistakes. I am becoming more confident. I am working on my speaking skills. Excellent. You have already spoken several complete English sentences. That is a great start. Now let's practice together. When I say the beginning of a sentence, you complete it. I am learning English. I am confident. I am improving every day. Wonderful. Keep speaking loudly. Pattern 2. Let's learn another powerful pattern. Repeat after me. I have a book. I have a pen. I have a mobile phone. I have a bicycle. I have a dream. I have a goal. Very good. Now some more useful sentences. I have time. I have work. I have confidence. I have opportunities. I have many things to learn. I have a bright future. Excellent. Notice how easy it is to create new sentences. You only need one structure and a few words. Let's practice. Complete these sentences. I have a book. I have confidence. I have a goal. Fantastic. Pattern 3. I like. Now let's talk about things we enjoy. Repeat after me. I like music. I like movies. I like cricket. I like reading. I like traveling. I like learning English. I like meeting new people. I like helping others. Excellent. Now answer these questions yourself. What do you like? Think for a moment. Now say it aloud. I like. Again. I like. One more time. I like. Very good. The more you speak, the more natural English will feel. Pattern 4. I want. This is one of the most useful patterns in spoken English. Repeat after me. I want water. I want tea. I want success. I want a better future. I want to learn English. I want to improve my confidence. I want to speak fluently. I want to travel. I want to achieve my goals. Excellent. Now create your own sentence. Start with, I want. Say it aloud. Again. I want. One more time. I want. Great job. You are already creating your own English sentences. Now let's combine everything we have learned. Listen carefully to this short conversation. Hi. Hello. How are you? I am fine. What is your name? My name is Rahul. Are you a student? Yes, I am. Do you like English? Yes, I do. Why? Because I want to speak fluently. Wonderful. Now let's repeat the conversation together. Speak after me. Hi. Hello. How are you? I'm fine. What is your name? My name is Rahul. Are you a student? Yes, I am. Do you like English? Yes, I do. Why? Because I want to speak fluently. Excellent. Now try speaking the entire conversation once more without my help. Take your time. Do not worry about mistakes. Just speak. At this point, I want to tell you a small story. A student once went to an English teacher and said, "Sir, I have studied English for 10 years, but I still cannot speak." The teacher smiled and asked, "How many minutes do you speak English every day?" The student thought for a moment and replied, 0. The teacher smiled again and said, "That is your answer." Think about that carefully. English is not a subject. English is a skill, and skills improve only through practice. You cannot become a good swimmer by reading about swimming. You cannot become a good driver by watching driving videos. And you cannot become a fluent speaker by only studying grammar. You must speak. Even if your English is broken, even if your vocabulary is small, even if you make mistakes, speak anyway. Because every sentence you speak takes you one step closer to fluency. From today, make a promise to yourself. Say it with me. I will speak English every day. I will not fear mistakes. I will keep improving. I will become fluent. Excellent. That commitment can change your life. Now it's time for today's challenge. I want you to record yourself speaking these 5 sentences. My name is blank. I am from blank. I am learning English. I like blank. I want to speak fluent English. Speak these 5 sentences 5 times. Record yourself, listen to your voice, and repeat the exercise tomorrow. Do not skip this practice. The students who practice become fluent. The students who only watch videos remain stuck. So make sure you complete today's challenge. Congratulations! Today was your first step toward English fluency. You spoke English, maybe not perfectly, but confidently. And confidence is where fluency begins. Remember, you do not need perfect grammar to start speaking. You need courage, you need consistency, and you need daily practice. In the next lesson, we will learn how to introduce ourselves confidently in English and make a great first impression. Until then, keep practicing, keep speaking, keep improving. And always remember, fluency is not a talent, it is a habit. See you in the next lesson.